Gonna set it all alight, douse the world in flames. Gonna take another drag, don't care who's to blame. Next week we have a gig supporting Poppy at the SB, so be sure to come down and see that.
Yeah, man.
Yes, we have tickets as well. And I will have new strings for my acoustic guitar, so...